Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add alter text to a pie chart in Excel. Okay, let's begin. Follow my process step by step. Select the table and go to Insert tab, recommended chart and select all chart. Go to pie chart and select your pie chart style. For example, I select 3D pie. Okay, then okay. Double click the chart, click size and properties, go to all text, and now we can see this title and description box. Now type your title here. For example, I type ABC and write your description. Example type okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.